ride the elevator at Macy's inside Ross Park Mall. It's a 1986 Westinghouse with the awesome dinner bell. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's been a while since I filmed this elevator right here. That's right, it's a Westinghouse elevator in the Macy's store. Let's see how it's doing. Good, the bell's working. There's the machine room. Here's the elevator. Type AE. That's Type AE. Westinghouse Fire Service. Good, nobody's on it. We're gonna go up 3. We'll go up 3. Door close button does not work. This is gonna be a take on a Handycam. Good, they're working. Launch the lanterns. Perfect way to ring in winter. Go back. Take a look at this call station. It's California compliant. Back down to 1. Pretty nice elevator considering its age. Installed in 1986. AE fixtures. There's your infamous hard-to-open Westinghouse door box for the phone. ADA compliant phone, I believe. There's your alarm bell. Oh, stop switch. Fire service, 3,000 pound capacity. Actually, we're gonna set it up so you can listen to the motor. Pretty good motor considering its age. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe and turn on post notifications.
To sit in the back seat, not in the next car behind us. Really? Oh, 2 of them. Real cute dogs. Aiden, you sure your camera can see out the front window?
Yeah.
Aiden, there's music like in editing apps where you can take out the audio of a video and then you could put in really cool music.
I know that.
Do you have an app to edit things?
iMovie.
iMovie.